The purpose of this experiment is to characterize changes in brain electromagnetic activity in response to the administration of the two gaseous dissociative agents, xenon and nitrous oxide, to healthy participants in a two-way, repeated measures crossover design. Due to the complexity of the experiment, it is important that the majority of equipment setup occurs before participant arrival. The most important of these is the configuration of the EEG system in the magnetically shielded room, or MSR. The EEG amplifier is placed in the MSR as far as practical away from the participant, and needs to be configured to run on DC power using either a built-in battery or an external shielded battery box. Fiber optic coupling from the amplifier to the data logging computer should be checked to be operational. Finally, a video camera in the MSR should be configured such that its field of view clearly captures the participant's face and upper thorax, such that the physician anesthesiologist can clearly monitor the respiratory and airway status of the participant. In order that consistent and comparable data is acquired, participants are first interviewed to confirm their eligibility for the study.